You've heard a lot about AI, but how much of it is true? AI is one of the most transformative technologies of our time, but it's also one of the most misunderstood. In this video, we're going to debunk 10 of the most common myths about AI. So, sit back, relax, and let's learn the truth about this amazing technology. Number 1. AI is going to take over the world. This is perhaps the most common myth about AI, and it's one that's been popularized by countless science fiction movies. But the truth is that AI is not going to take over the world. AI systems are designed to perform specific tasks, and they're not capable of independent thought or action. AI systems are not sentient or conscious. They don't have their own goals or desires. They are simply machines that are programmed to perform specific tasks. Number 2. AI is going to replace all human jobs. Another common myth is that AI is going to replace all human jobs, but this is simply not true. AI is more likely to automate repetitive tasks, which will free up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. In fact, AI is expected to create more jobs than it destroys in the coming years. The jobs that are most likely to be replaced by AI are those that are routine and repetitive. Jobs that require creativity, empathy, and social skills are less likely to be replaced by AI. Number 3. AI is infallible. AI systems are not perfect. They can make mistakes, and they can be biased. It's important to remember that AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the AI system will be biased as well. For example, one study found that an AI system used to predict recidivism rates was more likely to predict that black defendants would re-offend than white defendants, even though they had the same criminal records. This is because the AI system was trained on data that was biased against black defendants. It's important to be aware of the limitations of AI systems and to use them responsibly. Number 4. AI is a black box. It's true that some AI systems can be complex and difficult to understand, but not all AI systems are black boxes. Many AI systems are relatively simple and can be easily explained. For example, a decision tree is a type of AI system that uses simple logic to make decisions. Decision trees are often used in medical diagnosis systems. For example, a decision tree might be used to determine whether a patient has a particular disease based on their symptoms. The decision tree would be trained on data from patients who have been diagnosed with the disease and patients who have not been diagnosed with the disease. Number 5. AI is only for experts. AI is becoming increasingly accessible to everyone. There are now many tools and resources available that make it possible for anyone to build and use AI systems. Even if you don't have a background in computer science, you can still learn to use AI. For example, there are now many drag-and-drop AI programming platforms that allow you to build AI models without having to write any code. These platforms are perfect for beginners who want to learn about AI and start building their own AI models. Number 6. AI is dangerous. AI is often portrayed as a dangerous technology in science fiction movies. But the truth is, AI is not dangerous. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or evil. It's up to us to ensure that AI is used responsibly. For example, AI could be used to develop autonomous weapon systems that could kill without human intervention. However, AI could also be used to develop medical treatments that save lives. It's important to use AI responsibly and ethically. Number 7. AI is going to make us all unemployed. As we mentioned before, AI is more likely to automate repetitive tasks than replace human jobs. In fact, AI is expected to create more jobs than it destroys in the coming years. The jobs that are most likely to be replaced by AI are those that are routine and repetitive. Jobs that require creativity, empathy, and social skills are less likely to be replaced by AI. Number 8. AI is only for big companies. AI is no longer just for big companies. There are now many affordable AI tools and resources available to small businesses and startups. AI can be used by businesses of all sizes to improve their operations, increase efficiency, and make better decisions. For example, a small business could use AI to automate their customer service chatbot or to develop a personalized marketing campaign for their customers. Number 9. AI is not relevant to me. This is a dangerous myth. AI is already having a major impact on our lives. even if we don't realize it. AI is used in everything from the smartphones in our pockets to the self-driving cars on the road. For example, AI is used to power the facial recognition software that unlocks your phone and the recommendation algorithms that suggest what you watch on Netflix. AI is also used in medical diagnosis systems, fraud detection systems, and many other applications. Even if you don't work in a field that is directly involved in AI, you are still impacted by AI. For example, AI is used to make decisions about how your healthcare is delivered, how your finances are managed, and even the products and services that are available to you. It's important to understand AI so that you can make informed decisions about how it is used and how it impacts your life. Number 10. AI is already perfect. AI systems are still under development, and they are not perfect. They can make mistakes, and they can be biased. It's important to be aware of the limitations of AI systems and to use them responsibly. For example, one study found that an AI system used to diagnose cancer was more likely to misdiagnose Black patients than white patients. This is because the AI system was trained on data that was biased against Black patients. We need to continue to develop and improve AI systems so that they are more accurate and fair. AI is a powerful technology with the potential to change the world for the better. But it's important to understand the myths and misconceptions about AI so that we can use it responsibly. In this video, we've debunked 10 of the most common myths about AI, but there are many other myths out there. If you're interested in learning more about AI, I encourage you to do some research and find out the truth for yourself. AI is a complex topic, but it's important to have a basic understanding of it so that you can make informed decisions about how it is used and how it impacts your life. Thank you for watching.